Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at XRP all-time history, of course, and we're looking here at this impulse toward the upside where we have finished a wave A or a wave 1 in an impulse. After this, we would like to see, of course, a big correction in 3 waves corrective, where we have, of course, a zigzag for W, zigzag for X, and a triangle for your wave Y. After both case scenario, you have finished, of course, a wave B or a wave 2, meaning you have finished, of course, a wave A, B, and looking for a wave C as 1-to-1 fib level, or you have finished a wave 1 and wave 2, and then you're looking for 1.618 as, of course, target for a wave 3. Now, in this case scenario, I would like to see for the XRP is the same wave here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, repeating exactly the same for your wave C. And as you can look here, we have a wave 1 for this wave C already unfolded and with the same price action and time almost for this wave A. Meaning this can finish, of course, your wave 1 on the 1-to-1 fib level for the linear fib level, but that means as well in the next cycles we might, of course, have a logarithmic fib level where we want to reach, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level at $481. So basically, of course, right now we're gonna keep the normal fib for the linear chart, and this anyway will finish a wave 1 here and then looking for ABC correction, and then of course 3, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave toward the upside in the next cycles. So if we take a closer look on the daily, we can see, of course, on the daily that we have a great impulse toward the upside. Once we have finished this wave E here and with this wave Y, we have, of course, bottomed for a wave B as well and a wave 2 probably for higher prices. Let's move a little bit on the 4-hour chart. We can see, of course, this impulse toward the upside has perfectly unfolded where we have finished a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3 to finish, of course, in the yellow. A very perfect triangle characteristic for a wave 4 and continuation for higher prices. For a wave 5 in the yellow, of course, you want to finish here. And as you can see, this wave 5 was very, very extended for XRP. It is very characteristic of XRP to have very extended wave, even if it is wave 5. And it loves as well a lot of triangle. Choppy waves, of course, as you can see, A, B, C, D, E, and starting another impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably you would like to reach, of course, one more high probably, of course. But yes, this wave 4 looks very, very deep. This time it was not triangle shape, but we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after it, a wave 1. And probably a second wave 2 reaching perfectly the 0.38 fib level. And this is exactly what we would like to see. Now, don't forget that anyway, we are ranging in between the perfect targets and even the 1.618 for a wave 5. And what I mean was wave 5 is, of course, the big wave 5 in the yellow. So it can be somehow possible that we have topped for it and that we might move towards the downside. But however, this looks like an impulse right now. And then it looks like a wave 2 target, which is very nice. And if we take a look on the 1-hour chart to see what happened after this wave 2, this is a potential of leading diagonal again. So very, very possible as well to have a new impulse toward the upside. As you can see, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 as a leading diagonal, ABC for wave 2, and probably you want to move, of course, for higher prices. So I would say this looks like a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have kind of like a start for a massive wave 3 probably. Now, of course, we got our 5 waves, as I always say. We got our 5 waves, we got our 3 waves down. Probably it might be extended 3 waves down, so be careful with it. So 5 waves up, 3 waves down probably, and then continuation toward the upside, confirmation of a bullish scenario. Meaning once you reach, of course, is this high again at 1-to-1 fib level. Let's mark this. Let's say potential of bullish, right? Potential of bullish scenario, of course, starting from this price exactly at 3.15, meaning, of course, it's not just that we take here and we gonna move down. It means, of course, we gonna move for higher 3, 4, and a 5. And potentially your target, in case this is a finished wave to in case, yeah, so let's take the target for this bullish. We might reach the 1.618, of course. Here we go. 1.618, perfect fib level for, yeah, an even very good psychological number for $4 for XRP would be nice. Yeah, would be nice psychological number, I would say. And as well, a nice target to finish all these waves, right? Now, of course, we might have, of course, here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, yeah, even higher prices a little bit. However, I would like to take the high. Everything I look here at is just corrective. Very simple. Your trend is toward the upside. When you see a lot of correction and a lot of choppiness and overlapping, meaning you are just correcting. And once you're done with your correction, you're gonna move for higher prices. Therefore, yes, higher potential to reach the $4 for XRP. Now, your short-term bearish scenario, again, I would repeat, just 1 to probably one more leg toward the downside. If we take a look on the KGT fast to see what are the potential that the indication KGT giving us. Now, the strongest signal, yeah, as you can see, very nice divergence for the bullish, right? A very nice divergence. However, also, yeah, accompanied with, of course, some bearish signals and conversions toward the downside. But don't forget that now, once we get a new bullish signal, this is gonna represent a divergence. It's already divergence, yeah, guys. I think if we take the weekly, here we go. Yeah, the week signal here just simply has start a bullish trend toward the upside. Now, if we wait for a stronger signal, maybe, then after one more leg, which I was talking about it on the chart, one more leg for A, B, and a C, that will bring a very strong bullish signal, divergence, and explosion toward the upside. That was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.